Well, my name is John Atwood, and we bought Abrahamson Printing in 2006. All we do here is commercial printing, letterheads, envelopes, business cards, anything it takes to run a business, basically.
My name is June, and I have been working here for approximately 3 years, but I've been actually working in the industry since I've been 7 years old. Yeah, so a very, very long time. This business here is actually 80 years old this month, and technically for my family, this is the 5th generation for printing in our family. We actually go back to 1882 for printing in our family in Stockton, and that was Atwood Printing originally.
I'm the 4th generation, so I was born and raised in the business. I'm 73 now, and I was born and raised in the business, so I've been through quite a bit. I've gone from letterpress to offset printing, and that's where we're at.
Oscar Atwood came over for the gold rush either from Connecticut or New Hampshire area. I'm not quite sure in regards to where he was from. I know back east in that area there is a Atwood Hill, which is actually named after us, but I think it's 2 T's, not 1 T. And so our Oscar actually came over for the gold rush, and I don't know if there's a generation skip or not, so I don't know if Oscar was the direct descendant for Lee S., and Lee S. is the one who started Atwood Printing in 1882.
Quite a few years ago, we did the history of the Stockton Fire Department. And that job, we worked on that job for almost 7 years because they had to track back the history of everything. And then another one was the school district. We did one in the school district, and we worked with a fellow in Stockton. And he had to, between him and I, we had to research every single, to find out where schools were. There's schools that are missing now that were back there, where they're in our book. And that was a really job. I mean, that was a long, long project. Yeah. And it was fun. It was fun.
In regards to the equipment here, some of this stuff is going back to probably things that even my great-grandfather would have worked on if he was still in the business here today. This is equipment where parts wear down, but the body and the make and the model of the equipment will last forever. It's absolutely amazing the way how they made things then compared to how they make things now. There is no comparison. There will never be any comparison. It is what it was then, and it is as good as it is now.
You know, when you're born and raised in it, you just don't get out of it, that's all. What do they say? The ink gets in your blood?